Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to talk to you about my experience with bruxism, TMJ, teeth grinding. I think those are the words that sum it up. And so I wanted to talk to you about my experience and what I find helps me. Now, just to give you a little background of the story, so as a child I was told that I grind my teeth. I mean, to be honest, I've not even realised that I've done it. I mean, I've had like flashbacks of like having that dream where all your teeth fall out, but I never actually hear myself. I've just been told, oh my god, it was really loud and it just like makes them sick or something. So in the past I've been to the dentist and they've done me some professional moulds. I've paid like £130 and I've probably ended up using that same guard for about a year. It's been chewed through at the back of it. It's discoloured by this time, and the reason why I've used it for so long in the past is because I don't want to throw £130 down the drain. So what I've done is done some research and basically bought these, which are the Dentek Comfort Fit Dental Guard. You don't need to mould them, you don't need to boil them, because I've done those ones before and they just don't work for me. They always seem like too bulky, and it's just like you're wearing a hockey guard or something like that. So these ones are, as you can see, really petite, and you can wear them on your upper or lower. I find it's easier to wear it on my lower just because it just feels more comfortable, so that's a plus. You can use them top or bottom, whereas with a dental professional one they'll only fit it for the top or the bottom, or both if you're lucky, but I only ever ended up getting one. So I basically keep it in one of these tubs which I got from Home Bargains. I think you're meant to put false teeth in them, like dentures, but I just put it in one of these. So this is my own personal one. You may find this a bit minging, but this is mine. It's wet because I've just unsoaked it. So as I said, with my normal, with the previous guards that I'd have, they'd basically be chewed up at the back here, which is, as I said, I'm quite bad for it. And these adjust, so you can make them longer or smaller. And like I said, I just put it in like this. So it looks like I'm chewing on sweets right now. But yeah, it's actually quite comfy. I mean, I never end up swallowing them, so I've always found that I've been able to sleep comfortably in them. I'm just going to take this out right now. And then what I do is, in the morning after I've like put it into the tub, left it in rinsing water, I use these, which are really cheap, and you can pick them up from Home Bargains for about 50p. So it basically just sort of keeps it fresh, keeps it nice and clean, because obviously you want your mouth to be hygienic. And then also another thing that I find helps, because sometimes I get like sore neck. You know, I don't really suffer with a lot of headaches, so I've heard that people can get like really sort of strong piercing headaches, but I don't really find I get that. The only thing that I find that I do suffer with is sore neck, like my neck clicks, sometimes my jaw will ache, and I've also invested in a pillow because that helps support my neck. I find that it does help. So I got a Tempur Cloud, and I'll go and show you that one right now, 2 secs. So this is my pillow, it's my Tempur Cloud, and if you haven't already gathered, I'm obsessed with bulldogs. So I have this cute little pillowcase. It's really thick and it weighs a ton. The RRP is about 85 to £100, depending on where you buy it. I think Dreams is a little bit cheaper, but the pillow is so supportive. I've had it for about a year and it does actually help. So to sum it up, definitely don't buy the professional night guards. They're a waste of money. You'll use them for about maybe a year, it'll be discoloured, it'll be chewed up like a dog toy. That's why I buy these, and again this is a free brand deal, so if you want to come and you know, sort of sponsor me, would love it. If you want to send me some stuff, who doesn't like free stuff? These I buy on eBay and they're about £15 each. Sometimes you can get them on like a special deal online, I don't know, like a second-hand seller. Obviously they'll be brand new. I don't buy used ones. Just a disclaimer, I had to put that one out there. I mean, I do second-hand stuff, but not with a night guard, you know. That's just taken a bit too far. But I've basically bulked buy. In fact, I'll show you how many I've got. So if you take a look here, I'm totally out of focus right now. Yeah, here we go. So this is my collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 night guards. I normally use these until they're chewed up. They also come with a little case carrier, which, if I open this up, if I do remember rightly, I do actually have one in there as well. I'm obsessed with them. I take my dental hygiene very seriously, and then I've got like other bits, toothbrushes for when you need a spare, toothpaste, what's this, another little carry case that they often come with. Let me try and open this, it's so hard to do single-handedly. Yeah, so these Denteks will either come with a case like this or a slide one, and I find these are just nice to travel with if you're doing like an overnight stay. Sample of toothpaste here, nick a load of these when I go to the dentist, hygienist, I mean, why not? Do you know what I mean? They're good for travelling again. So yeah, like I said, I've definitely stocked up on these. That's how much I love them. So like I said, this is a free brand deal, so if you want to sponsor me, Dentek, come at me. Now, just to conclude, I hope you liked my video, and to be honest, moving forward I will be making more videos, so subscribe, give me a like, because I'm really going to try and take this seriously and get my vlog game up just for fun, really. Merry Christmas! It's now coming into 2020, and yeah, see ya, bye!